can kill it with salt. Like this is.
So here's the problem about killing the catfish with the salt.
Let's not tell them that. Like, we're gonna
just need a bigger
we're
thing
just
for
gonna
that
do this.
because
See how
it said when you put the it said when you put the salt on the
Let's go.
catfish, it's gonna be like
Come on,
moving
let's
all
go,
over the
let's
place.
go.
But I don't want it to fall on the ground.
It's not gonna fall on the
It
ground.
is. It said.
So what do you do? Put it in the sink?
Yeah.
All right. So like we said, the catfish is in here. We're gonna put
it
the
down.
salt on it.
You gotta put it down, cause I don't.
All right. So we're gonna put this down because she said they.
Okay.
At 5, 4, 3. No, at 5.
And so we're gonna trap it in with this.
At 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
I want to need that.
Let's go.
I'm gonna need that.
Okay, come on. It's not like this long.
I don't know if this
It's
works.
gonna be inhumane.
If this
In
doesn't
a
work,
minute.
if this doesn't work, Mama, if this doesn't work, I don't know what we're gonna do.
I don't know what to do but throw
5,
it away.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
All over the body, fast. Let's do this fast. Like for some reason, just do it fast. All over the face? I thought you said the body.
Oh.
And the body too. Don't forget the body.
Let's just put it in the snow.
Don't put the.
That is not doing nothing. He is not jumping.
That's supposed to kill it.
I don't even know. You can't trust everything you see. I mean, I guess it would dry him out.
Yeah. So dry stuff out. I just remember that.
I don't even know if this is right. Oh, Dawson, not it too, Brutus. Ow. All right. Don't waste my salt.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks.
Step.
Salt it out, right? Salt it out.
Okay, Mama. And what's your job now?
Step number 14.
Let's put it in there and let it sit.
Oh, snap. I think he's not breathing no more.
Oops, I killed it.
So, hey, we learned something today. If you have a live catfish and you need to kill it, please just get yourself a thing of salt. It will do for sure.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's not. Stop doing that.
You sound like Nana. You sound like Grandma.
It's breathing a little bit.
All right, well, it's almost. All right, so we're going to make sure, give this a little bit of time, make sure everything settles in. What did Lexi do? And that's it?
No.
Yeah.
No,
It was bleeding. She went.
No, I meant what I did. But this is when I did it in this area.
You cut his throat?
No, I just did this.
Oh, Jesus. Let's go see.
Oh, I love you, Jesus.
Oh, man. Lexi, I tell you. Let's go. Let's look. Oh.
Dust, give me the thing.
Put it. Cover it back up. Let's give it a R.I.P.
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
Dust, cut this.
Okay.
I didn't mean to.
I don't know how you not mean to do it.
Okay, let's just get rid of it.
I tell you. Well, it's dead. So that's what the main thing is. We wanted it dead. It's dead. It didn't die the way that it was supposed to die.
Are we still gonna eat this?
I mean, hey.
Oh, it's still breathing.
We could have.
It's still breathing.
No, it's not.
It is.
has to be kidding me. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go knock this out. We're going to knock this out. We're going to knock it out.
Yes, I'm
'Cause
gonna
that's the only way to get through the hard things in life. You got to knock
Good
it
night,
out.
Mom. Good night. I'm going to sleep.
No! Oh, no. Let's go. Because this is your fish that you caught.
But you said.
I stood up here and helped you with yours.
But you're like, okay, I'm going to help you with yours.
Okay, so I didn't ask you to do it. But you not going nowhere. Sorry, we had some malfunctions. Somebody needs to get up on the counter. All right, come on, Lexi.
I love.
All right.
Jesus.
I know how am I supposed to get it out of there?
Pick it up. You know what?
God, my Lord.
Now it's gonna be really bloody.
It's not really that bad. It's just like.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that?
Woo! Ain't nothing like a woo. If I
Drink
never
water.
in my life do this again.
It's still breathing.
Drink water.
It's still alive.
Okay, excuse me, Dawson.
You know what? Here's the smartest. I knew it's probably gonna be dead if we stabbed it in the stomach. We did all of that for no reason.
Come on now.
Now I gotta kill a baby.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
That's what you know.
I don't know if he wanted me to do this way.
Do it in the pee area. Do it in the pee area.
The eyes bleed.
All
I'm
right,
sorry,
come on, let
guys,
me
I
take
didn't-
my watch off.
It's gonna get nasty
You
and
better not
dirty.
look at it.
Dirty and nasty.
Just don't look at it.
All right, this is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. This nothing.
You should have
I was ready, boy. I was ready.
I'm ready.
Get back, Dawson. You might get nasty now.
Peace out. I'm not staying with this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's still bleeding.
I'm sorry. I'm so
Guys, look, it's still
sorry.
breathing.
I'm so sorry. Jeez. Oh my Lord.
You're killing the living life out of it. She's just like this. Don't you see that? She's just like.
All right. Come on now. Come on. Let me get through this. Now, I was on the road.
Black people when they're cutting fish.
No. Oh, man.
No.
Oh, shit. And this blicker is still. Oh. Lexi, I don't understand. This is a
Disaster.
savage. Shoot, not a disaster. This is a savage fish.
Why do you even
No,
do
it doesn't.
Kill it,
this?
stab it, beat it, do all this, and this fish is still living.
And why did you even do this?
I thought I would make it.
Ah, man, I tell you, I am for real. I ain't never doing this no more. Man, this is a one lifetime experience.
Yeah, usually if you
All right,
use,
I don't know how far I can go up. It's like I gotta cut through.
usually Nana would just go to like the park section and just get little small fish and kill them. We're just doing something more big.
Ah, yes.
Okay, that's.
What?
If I
Yes. So you see that cut? Look, you see that?
I have the perfect name for this. Black woman just. Oh, God.
Black women putting food on the table.
No, black woman.
Now you gotta get all the insides out.
No, look. That's how
right.
black chick. That looks like. That's how people be looking when good fried looking chickens on the table. Oh yeah.
This don't look like no good fried chicken. Man. You see all the guts and
I
all?
want to take those out, but you need to.
No, you did yours. I'm gonna make mine because they're going to see yours. And y'all tell us who gutted the catfish.
You know what? I did this. No, don't tell us this.
So I figure if you just cut this crap, you know, I'm sorry. But you know the circle of life is a much needed thing to live. Hey, yours was difficult. Mine ain't that big. You got to get through it. It tastes like some oiled up skin. Yeah.
You have to pull it out instead of stabbing it thousands of times.
I'm loosening it up.
Oh my gosh. Are you using your hands?
Down and down. Gonna get down. Man.
We're gonna cut this out.
Oh, but you touched this with your hands, though. You just grabbed it up.
It doesn't feel that bad.
Oh, I don't know.
I'll grab it for you.
It's like not like you're tearing the insides apart.
I really do this. Okay, let's cut this off of me.
Oh, just take it. You're taking up time. That's better because you don't have no nails. I don't want that stuff in mine.
It's dead. Look.
Now you can start getting that out.
You need a whole bunch of soup.
This is a
By the way, I little popped a little
master.
part so this could be looking like pink. So.
There's a whole bunch of this.
Don't do that. Don't do that now. Ow! Stop.
I didn't touch
Hey, get your hands. What in your hands? Yeah, hold on. Let me get this done. See, I was already in my zone to get this done, and you done totally tried to throw me off of stuff, like messing with you. I'm just gonna get this stuff up on the go. Get this spoon.
No, what's in that box?
Spoon this.
It is like, okay,
Cut. Dang, I got some stones. Man, all right. Oh, I don't feel like it's supposed to do it. Oh my goodness, slime. Oh,
it feels like slime.
Oh my. Hey.
Oh,
You gotta do it, Mike. Just look at it. It's slime. It's fun playing slime. It's fun.
Okay. Stop. Don't touch me.
this beaver and tripe.
It's like a surgery. It's like a surgery.
What I am, Dr. Williams, performing an automatopsy,
Oh, what's an onomatopoeia?
the autopsy of a fish. Could've.
Oh
No.
my gosh. Just cut the fish.
It's got insides.
Now you gotta scoot all of that out.
Oh
Mom,
my God.
That's,
I give it up.
Guys.
To butchers. Hand clap to you. Hand clap to you. Cause y'all do this. Like,
this is
Oh.
devils.
you go home every day.
Mom, you should.
oh, by the way, she's a city girl, so she doesn't like to get down in the dirt.
Oh man, I thought something hit me in my face when you were saying that.
I can't do nothing with this.
She's a city girl. I'm a country girl, so I'm not.
No.
I'm not scared to get down in the dirt.
Girl, you was born in
I was
Oh,
not.
sorry.
I was not. I was born in the
Mom,
bathtub.
You sound like Chris.
I was born in
City
the bathtub.
girl.
I'm
Mom,
not a city girl.
my
What in the world? Come on, man. Let's look this out of here.
my
What is this? Is this supposed to be in here?
What?
Oh, this. Come on.
okay.
And whatever you leave, and whatever you leave in there, then you can get that out.
All right.
Do never touch me.
Look at that.
Do never.
Wait, you have to get
Don't
the
touch me, Mom.
What? I think I got everything
Oh,
out
you
here.
got a little bit in there.
He's had that part.
Oh, Miss eye. Then
Wait, you forgot to cut the little pieces off. Anything that's hanging out, you gotta cut out.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
I ain't worried about all that. All right, so that was the
Now
cutting
clean
of
the
the
fish.
insides.
Now clean the fish.
Don't fall, please. Cutting of the catfish. So I did as much as that I can do, as this being my first time. You saw what Lexi can do. Who do you think did the doo-doo? The dizzle, the things, the best.
Just wash your hands.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash them, but after I throw this away. But
You're not throwing the thing away.
no, after I put it in the bag and tie it up.
You have to wash it.
Like always.
Until next time.
You'll see you on the other side.